Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Asus ROG Phone 6D. So in the first step, open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them, always using the Easy Fax. Okay, now to choose the source of your document, click on the plus and just select one of these options. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Like this one and click import. Now you can add this shape to the document. And if you're ready, click arrow. Then choose filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. And you can also add a signature text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here, and you can also add more documents, maybe from the other source. So to do it, just click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.